Oh, Jitterbug's here.
Got a little Waylon.
Wait, you're usually carrying something like an animal.
Usually something hanging to bring him here to eat.
Oh,
this guy
hey,
here is gonna sit around and hang out with us today.
Oh, the youngest
his
pit
first
boy.
day, his first day at the pit.
All right.
You have 3 pounds, sirloin, burger, couple eggs, some breadcrumb, Worcestershire sauce.
What's that called again? What?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
I like it, so it's going to go in heavy. And get yourself some of this, please.
Oh, yeah.
SPG, Pit Boys. Universal, good on everything and anything. And don't be afraid to use it. All right. We got ourselves some already diced up green pepper, red pepper, and yellow bell pepper. And we're going to use half of the onion I got here. Gotta have onion. Gotta have the onion in there. And dig in.
All right.
Best thing to do. Best utensils on hand.
Yep.
Just incorporate everything, get everything mixed in. It might look a little heavy on the vegetables, but don't worry about that. Once we get it all rolled up, it's just to make the Vegematics happy.
Yeah.
Mr. Q, can you pour a little more breadcrumb in there?
Absolutely. Right. Want to get that packiness to it, right?
Right. Just a little bit of a binder. Just keep working it in. You all know how to make a meatloaf, so I don't have to get too technical for you. Easy stuff. A lot of people don't put this much vegetable. Most people just put the onion in and that's it. And we don't beat them up that much. Yep. Throw them shrooms in there.
All right, you want the whole can in there?
Put the whole can in. Thank you, sir. Perfect.
I'll get you. Yeah, those last, so you're not breaking them all up.
Right.
Nice. We'll break that real well.
So we're going to be slicing these after into burgers. That looks good. All right.
That looks good, Dave. Gonna put it directly on the grill, indirect, apparently,
Indirectly.
right? Directly on the grill, indirectly
Try to
heating.
maintain the shape.
And you're using a leaner beef there too.
Yep.
Is that a 90-10 or a, what do you think?
85.
85, okay.
All right. Close that up for me, Mr. Q.
Gotcha.
Now we sit back and wait possibly an hour and a half.
Yeah.
We don't really have to go the whole time since we're going to be hitting them on a cast iron afterwards after we cut them. So,
All right. Great job.
That's it.
All
That's
right.
it.
Bye.
Yep. So yeah, with the meatloaf, everything else, I mean, my go-to dinner. If I'm out and about, I'll head down to the diner, get a meatloaf dinner plate, mashed potatoes, gravy, mushrooms, all smothered on it.
That
Perfect.
same diner you're talking about, when I was growing up, my after work meal was literally a meatloaf sandwich, gravy on the side, extra pickle, no coleslaw.
Oh,
Excellent. Excellent. Yep. You can't
That's
beat
awesome.
diner food.
all right.
Definitely.
Cheers. All right. Smoke.
We're gonna add one chunk of wood here. Don't mind the noise. Got a little apple wood. Put that on there. Put a little smoke to this beautiful meatloaf.
All right. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect.
Woohoo! Let's go.
All right, guys, let's come and see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that, golden goodness. You just get a quick temp on it. 170. We're good. We'll pull her off. All right. Boy, they give big portions around here. What the size of that? Yeah. And we got 2 more of us here, so got to do 3 more. You know? Get the cast iron on here and get her heated up.
Okay.
And we'll let that rest, cool down a little bit so we can cut our slices.
Okay.
And then we'll hit them on a hot cast iron. Get that internal oil charred up a little bit.
Let's go.
There we go. All right, we'll take this and slice her up.
All right, let's do it.
Now over. We got to move everything back. Square off our ends. That's pit master privilege right there. That is perfect. What do you say right there, J-Dog?
Oh, that's good. Good.
Oh, if you can only smell this, folks. Perfect. And we'll put a little sear. Excuse me for a second.
Hey. Well deserved.
Beautiful.
All right.
The cast iron's been sitting for a while. Use a little bit of olive oil. Instant heat. You want to add me one of the pot holders over there?
Yep. There we go.
Thank you, sir. That oiled up good.
Mm-hmm.
Now we go for a sear.
We're good. How?
We're going to do a flip on these. Oh, look at that. Let them sear up. I think we did good. Real good. Look at that.
Look at the smoke ring.
Perfect.
Right. So good. Okay.
Ready?
Mm.
Pull them off.
Mm. Jacob, what's your verdict so far? Because we snuck some piece.
See the crust on this?
Oh, the beauty.
Oh my god.
Beauty.
Look at that.
Phenomenal.
And me.
Smells up.
Mhm.
No, here we go.
All right.
Start putting them in. Here, a little oil in there. Drop that in.
Let's get that out there.
Drop those.
Throw these mushrooms in, sweat these out.
Put the cover on and let these just do their goodness. Maybe a little bit more oil. Get a little more. And a little bit more. Now you can make your own, but I like to make life easier in the pit.
That's what we do. That's what we do.
And a little beef gravy. You want to grab a couple of the rolls. Absolutely. Open them up, put them down over the heat. Alright, while those are grilling, we're going to put these out. These heat up a little bit more. Hold the temperature well. And we'll cover them up for a couple seconds. Make a little bit of a mess, but we'll be fine. Cheese melt. Cover up. Let the goodness happen.
Right.
On there. Right there. All right. You guys ready?
Yes, no doubt.
Yes. Look at that. Come on, get on. What I like about this restaurant is you get to hang with the chefs.
Mhm.
Prepare the chef. Of course, it should be like a 15-minute drive-through. It's more like 3 hours, but it's worth it. Then you don't have to chip anything. All right. Enough mushroom and onion. Whoa. Out of the way. Gentlemen. No fancy toothpicks or knives to spear through. Nope. There's the Warden's Shroon and Swiss Meatloaf Burger. Perfect. Well, hold it. Now, I'm going to take these. You guys, you got plenty to make it back. I'm not going against them. Nope. I'm not going against him. He's perfect.
You got us. You got us.
Go ahead. Help yourself, guys. Right. Give it a try. Take a look at that, Jeff.
Oh, man. You know we're going to have to cut into one of these babies because that's what I love to.
Now for you.
All right.
Look at this one. Go right through it. Open that puppy up.
Oh, there we go. Wow.
Pickle right in the middle. You're gonna put.
That's beautiful. Oh yeah, they're beauty.
And that includes your cameraman. Yeah, he'll get it.
I'll get mine. I'll get mine. You go first. I'll get it.
You guys ready?
All right.
Take the stance. Oh my Lord. No, I paid $15 for this restaurant. I would too. Look at that. I like the smokiness, you know? Mm-hmm. Brings it out. Peppers, mushrooms, Swiss. Awesome. Yep. So,
Great job, Warren.
you want to survive Mickey's? Come up with a sandwich like this.
All right.
Oh.
All right.
What we got in here? Warden, what's going on in there?
Bacon Swiss, I got them.
Look at that.
You tell us how that tastes.
Look at that. This is what you get when you show up late to the pit.
Hey, well, I think you had an excuse.
Here's the reason. Grandson.
Look at this, guys.
All right.
Well, Jitter.
Look at the 3 generations right there. Here you go.
Well, Jitter, what do you think?
That's what we call pitmaster privilege.
Yeah. Woo.
It's good.